Good evening, folks. Welcome back to Budgie's Bus. Those that don't know me, my name's John, and this is part 2 of our trip down to the Gateway Resort in Cynefely, South Wales. Sorry, it's a bit late coming out. Carol and I have been a bit tied up this week. We've had a lot of work done on the house. We've had solar panels installed and an air source pump installed as well. So as you can imagine, we've been a bit tied up. So this video really is just a walk around the park, so you've got an idea of what's there. So sit back, enjoy, I'll catch you at the end. See you in a bit. Here we are, Gateway Resort. One of the places I would recommend, well worth a visit. It's really well laid out, very family orientated. They have live shows from 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah.
There's children's activities all day. Like I say, we've now got the ice rink.
Ice rink.
Yeah, ice rink. As well as an indoor swimming pool. So we'll take a walk round and let you have a look. Yeah, I would recommend coming. We'll definitely be back. We'll show you now the concert room. Last night it was that packed you could hardly get a seat, and like I say, for this time of year, off season, you can't lose.
That's impressive. That sort of distance, nice calm, loads of build up, and they finished the match. Really impressive.
It's the outdoor seating area.
It's the Premier League quality we're talking about.
So this is the concert room. You can see how big this is. Yeah, last night this was chock-a-block. Like I say, we had the Meatloaf impersonator on. He was brilliant. Again tonight there's live music. Let's take you through to the reception area. You all right?
I'm intrigued. What is that? Wow.
Yeah.
Mommy can't you for the win? Well, Nanny can't you?
You're gonna come and get dressed and we come downstairs to the party, okay? Okay, come on, go this way.
Go in.
Bye,
Bye then. Watch and put yourself for Mommy, look. Mommy, I need to bread.
It's brilliant. They've got the whole year.
Yeah. Now that does look like tambourine.
Yeah. Okay.
This is his artwork, John. We're going to have a look around. Oh, a good job.
It's very sweet and design.
You open it up.
Played Sugar Baby for years.
I played last time I went with Hannah over to Barnet.
Well, we got the puppy version of the octopus. Oh,
100 tickets.
yeah, 1,000.
I'll tell you
Do you
what,
want
it's a lovely.
your American diner, tavern, bar and restaurant. So, washing machines £3, tumble dryers £2. So a £5 per wash.
That's good.
That's not bad at all, is it?
No.
You know, more than adequate for tag wheelbases, and the room between each of the vehicles. You know, I've not seen a campsite that's so well laid out. You know, so yeah, bear with us as we walk around. It was. Come back to you in a bit. Yeah, well, before we move on, we've got Johnny Zoe, Bertie's Bus. I would say get across and subscribe to them. They've just put out yet again a cracking video. It's well worth a watching. So yeah, go across to Bertie's Bus and give them a subscribe. Let them know you come from us and enjoy their videos. They are good. And of course you got Di and Rianne, What's Occurring. They're here as well. So it's been a good crowd, and the group, the Facebook group, the Welsh camping addicts, they are brilliant. They are so friendly and welcoming. I highly recommend, you know, looking at the group, giving me your support. So yep, so let's get on. Well, I won't talk much, I'll let you just have a walk around. Like I say, it's a huge site, well laid out. There's 2 toilet blocks and shower blocks. So this is number 1. We won't take you into the shower blocks, but they are clean and well maintained. Considering it's the end of January, the site is well and truly packed. The amenities here, like I say, toilet and shower blocks are spotlessly clean. Well, thanks for sticking to the end, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. we'll be getting another one out as soon as we can. So catch you in the next one. Catch you later. Bye for now.